Okay, this has been the Fugetek FT569 selfie stick tripod combo with Bluetooth.
Hi guys!
Okay guys, we're here with the unboxing of the tripod from Amazon. You can see it was a bad job of taping. They did. We will cut the ribbon. Inside. It's a tripod without a box. Okay, so there's no box for the tripod. It comes in a handy little plastic bag, says ready to ship, probably from China. So you see it has a nice little carry bag. You can take it with you to the park, put it over your shoulder. You can make it longer, shorter. All right, how do we get this tripod out? There it is. All right, this is a Fugetek. It also doubles as a selfie stick and has a remote control. And you can use that with your Bluetooth to take pictures. So here you can see it has a clamp. You can clamp your phone on it, set it up. This should go up to about 5 feet in total height if you want. You can set it up angles, like that, sideways. So that's it. Let's take that and we can go do something with it. As you can see, the little Bluetooth device also snaps in here, attaches, and you can keep it there and it won't fall out. Let's see if we can get this. There it is as a selfie stick.
Is that the selfie stick already?
Yep.
How long is it? Like, you can make it longer? There we go. Oh no, that's nice. That's it? Wow. And then that's too long. Look at that.
Okay, we're going to try and make this more into the selfie stick. Tighten this up. It's a little heavy for a selfie stick, but it works.
Wow, nice.
Okay, so with the selfie stick, you have to actually shut it back down, the stick. And then it has a plug-in on the bottom. And you have to charge it. So you charge it with the charge cord, charge this up with the Bluetooth, and everything should work okay. You're off. There's the little thing here. So you're gonna plug that in and then get your adapter for your USB charger. And plug that little thing in there until it gets a good charge. Okay, this has been the Fugetek FT569 tripod selfie stick. It's about approximately $25 on Amazon. And that's it. We're gonna take it out for a ride. So thanks for watching and please subscribe.
Hi guys! Gamit ko na yung tripod ko with selfie stick guys. Char! Ang ganda ng view guys oh. Char! Ang video. Say hi my love.
Hi, my love. Do me a favor, okay?
What?
This is that little girl's spoon.
Okay.
So ask her if this is her spoon. Why not?
Give to
You do it. You're mom.
Wow, ang ganda ng view guys oh. What is Nag-enjoy talaga ako sa tripod ko with selfie stick. Charing, charing, charing. Ang ganda dito guys. Ayan. Hi guys! Ito po yung remote ng tripod na nabili namin sa Amazon. Ayan guys, andun yung cellphone. Ayan, tapos pag mag-video ka guys, ayan, ito turn on mo lang. Ayan, ganito. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Make it closer. Ayan. So, naka-turn on na siya guys.
Too late, I already took the video off.
Okay. More. So, make it zoom. So, naka-turn on na siya guys. Ayan. So, pwede na ako mag-vlog. Para lang siyang TV remote control. Ang ganda niya guys, promise. It's a Fugetek. Fugetek tripod with selfie stick.